So one of the questions we get is what to re-roof with when you have a rock or torch down roof that's failing. Torch down roofs are really labor intensive, and obviously you're using a torch on your flammable roof, which isn't great either. So what we recommend doing is using a TPO roof. Here's a roll of a single ply TPO. This type of material you roll out and you weld the seams. You get your seam overlap. In a machine you welds them together. A lifetime type roof, you can also put it right over your old roof, so you don't have to extend the cost of your roofing by tearing off your roof. And you can put rigid insulation on top, add the R value to your house along with the white roof. So it's a very economical way to go compared to torch down roofing. So with TPO roof, you can see how they weld the seams and no drainage with the rigid foam and dent shield that goes under this. You can build it up so you'll get proper drainage off your roof too. So that can save you a lot of money when you're redoing your roof. So call San Diego Solar and we'll help you out with all your solar and roofing needs.